Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Aipom from Pokemon. Let's get started with the eyes in the center of the page. We're going to move over towards the left a little. So let's start with the left eye with a circle. Starting from the top, we'll work our way around to the bottom. And then back up to the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in the center here and draw the right eye. So we're going to line up the top of the circle and draw that same size circle. In the center of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for the pupil. So let's leave a little gap at the top. Just trace around on the inside. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. On the top left of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for our highlights. So we're just going to tuck this up against the side of the pupil. And we're going to color the pupil in black. Now we're going to move down in the center and draw in the mouth. So let's start with the upper edge of the mouth. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve down and then back up on the right. I want to round out the mouth and come down towards the bottom. So let's start on the left side. We're going to round this out and then just come down. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve. In between, we're going to separate the teeth. We're going to start in the center at the top with a straight line. Now I'm going to draw 2 more lines on either side, but we're going to angle these out. So we step over, just draw a slight angle going out, move over again, and draw that same angle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to surround the face with the inner edge of the trim. So I'm going to start just above the eyes. I'm going to start above the left eye and draw a curve, coming down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Now I'm going to go around the eyes and then down towards the chin, just below the mouth. So we'll start on the left side, curving around, and we'll come down towards the bottom of the mouth. Now I want to make my way up towards the right side. So let's start at the top here, curve around the eye, and then just aim down towards the bottom. We're just going to blend this in. Now we're going to move up towards the top in the center here and draw in the fur. So we're going to start just on the left of center, right up here, with a curve going up and then over towards the right. Now I'm just going to taper and hook this back down. About halfway along this curve, we're going to go up again a little bit higher. Then we're going to curve this back down again. Now we're going to do one more. So halfway along this curve, we're going to go up and out. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction, coming down and over towards the left. Now let's draw in the outer part of the head. So we start just beside the fur here. We're going to curve out, around the trim, and then down on the left side of the chin. Starting up here, we're going to go out, round this out, and then just pull this in just on the left side of center. We're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top, go out towards the right, around the trim, and we'll pull this into right about there. On the side of the head, we're going to add 2 large ears. So on the left side at the edge of the head, we start by curving up and over towards the left. Now I'm going to round this out and pull this in towards the bottom edge of the head on the side. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So let's line up the top, curve up towards the top of the ear. We're going to round this out, and then we'll pull this in towards the side of the head. Now I want to add the inner trim of the ear. So we're going to follow this curve just on the inside. So stepping down, I want to leave an even space gap all the way around and then in behind the head. We'll do the same thing on the right. So now that we've got the head, let's move down and draw in the body. So just below the chin, we're going to step down and out. So on the left side, we're going to curve out the body and then pull that back in. We'll do the same thing on the right. From the chin, we're going to step down and then out, curving out, and then back in. Now we're going to leave a little space on the inside here and just finish off the lower torso. From left to right, we're going to draw a little curve, from left to right. I want to add a little body trim in here. So we're going to start on the left side on this line here. We're going to curve out, almost like drawing an oval, up towards the center, and then and back down on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the arms in beside the body here. From this point on the body, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down. Let's round out the tip of the hand, curving back up. Now I'm going to taper the arm in behind the head so the arm gets wider as we come up. Starting on the left, we're just going to blend this into a curve. Now let's move down and draw on the legs. From the bottom of this line, I'm going to step out and curve out the leg and then down. And do the same thing on the right side. From the bottom of the line, I'm going to step up, curving out towards the right, and then down to the same height. Now I'm going to go to the inside and curve in the same direction, curving down towards the same height. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close the bottom of the leg off with a curve. From outside, coming down, and then back up. Now let's go in and draw on the feet. From this point in the leg, we're going to curve around the heel and then forward. Curving around. Now we're going to bring this down towards the bottom of the foot to right here. Now we're going to curl this back for the first toe. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the ankle, we're going to curve in. I'm going to round out the bottom of the foot, and then we'll just hook back the first toe. Now we're going to stack one more toe. At the bottom of this toe, we're going to curve around. I'm going to pull this all the way back up towards the outside of the ankle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Last thing I want to do is add the tail over towards the right side. So we start with the inner corner of the lower torso, curve down and over towards the right, in behind the leg. Now I'm going to continue this curve, going up, and then I'm just going to curve it out towards the right slightly. Now I'm going to step over and draw that same curve going in behind the leg. So step up, and just follow this curve all the way back in behind the leg. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve. Now let's add in the end of the tail. So it's almost like a large circle with some open ends for the prongs. From the top corner, we're going to step down. We're going to begin by drawing what looks like a circle on the top, and we'll go along the bottom. So at the bottom of the tail, we'll curve in the opposite direction to right about there. Now going back to the top, draw an angled line going up. From here, I want to draw a circle with an open end at the bottom here. And go around. Now we're just going to pull that into right about there. I want to draw a short line coming in. And do the same thing over here. Now we're going to angle this one going out. The short line, draw that circle with an open end on the inside, and then I'm going to draw a short line coming in. Now I just want to imagine this circle just going in between the prongs. So up here we're going to curve over, and then the bottom we're going to curve over. I want to leave a little bit of space in between for that final prong. Over here we're going to do 2 angled lines coming up. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a circle. Along the bottom edge here, I just want to add a little bit of shading. So 1 short line. On the left, we're going to angle this out. And then on the right, we'll angle it out. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Aipom from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.